Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL earbuds with your Android phone. So first of all, we have to open the Play Store and download the JBL headphones application. So let's get it right now on our device. Right now we can open it. Accept all the permissions that will pop on your screen. And right now from this list we have to select our product. So we are looking for the JBL Endurance Peak 3. So we have to select them. And there's like base information, what we have to do to find them. So we have to just basically open this charging case and open these two parts, this one and also this one. We have to keep it like that on the left and the right one. And also we have to take a look for these indicators. As you can see, they start blinking, and we have to just keep it like that. So right now we can just go back from the list. Just take a look if they start appearing on the list. If not, we can just repeat. It looks like the pairing method in the application is not working, so we have to open the Bluetooth settings. And as you can see right here, when we go for the available devices list, we can select our JBL Endurance Peak 3. We can accept the pairing. We are successfully connected right now, and let's take a look what is going to happen when we open the application right now. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, but for some reason I still cannot open my earphones in this application. So maybe it's time to reopen it. Okay, as you can see, I'm successfully connected, but for some reason I cannot use the application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.